Now that I have my bird drawn out and my lines are thick, I would encourage you to take a moment and just go back over it with an eraser to erase any of those pencil lines that you maybe didn't trace over. And that will just make it look a little bit neater. And then the next step is to start adding your patterns. I would encourage you to try to add your patterns just directly with your marker. If you draw them out in pencil, then you're going to have to trace over them with markers. So I would say, if at all possible, try to do it right on your paper. So I'm just, after doing this, I realize that I need to divide this in half. And then I'm going to add slanted lines to make it look like a feather. I would encourage you also to make these details as big as possible. So I'm leaving quite a bit of space in between these lines. That is going to make it easier for me to color. We will be coloring these with construction paper crayons. The small details are really kind of hard to color. So taking your time, looking back on your plan, and filling in your bird with patterns.